Welcome back. My name is Dr. Carl Baird, and today I'll be teaching you how to perform the Romanian deadlift using a kettlebell. Now, if you're an adult and you're suffering from back or knee pain, this is a great exercise to add in your routine because it helps limit impact that goes through your joints by building strength in your glutes and hamstrings, improving hip mobility by lengthening that posterior chain, and helping you ingrain that hip hinge pattern so that you can learn how to maintain a neutral spine while you bend forward, which is important for anybody with back or knee pain. So let's go ahead and get started. It's essentially a weighted hip hinge exercise, which is why it's really important that before you pick up any weight, you understand how to perform the hip hinge while maintaining that neutral spine. So let's just do a quick demonstration of what a hip hinge looks like. You start with your feet hip width, and then the movement is sending the hips back. Again, paying attention to your spinal position. You don't want any flexion or extension. You want to maintain that neutral spine, stopping when you feel tension in the hamstrings and coming back up. So once you feel comfortable performing a hip hinge with no weight, you're going to pick up your kettlebell to perform the Romanian deadlift. And it's going to be the same thing, but now you're just holding that weight directly in front of you. So this is what it looks like. You're going to start by reaching those hips back. Think of the weight pulling you straight down. And you want to stop the minute you feel tension in your hamstrings and come back up. So again, send the hips back, weight pulls me straight down, keeping that neutral spine, and back up. But that's it. That is the Romanian deadlift. Let's go over a few things you want to watch out for to avoid tweaking your low back. So as great of an exercise as a Romanian deadlift is for solving lower back pain, it can also aggravate your lower back pain if it's not done properly. So let's go over a few things that you want to watch out for to make sure that we don't accidentally start putting more stress on our low back. The first one is making sure that you send those hips back versus bending your trunk forward. And so a way you can tell you're doing this is that if the weight starts to travel forward. Remember I said that you want the weight moving in a straight line up and down? Well, if you bend forward at the trunk, that weight goes forward and you're going to start to feel it in your lower back. 2, as you initiate the movement, you want to make sure that you control your pelvis. So what a lot of people do when they send their hips back is they rotate their pelvis backwards, their chest flares up. And even without any weight, that creates a lot of tension here in my lower back, which again causes pain and discomfort. So really make sure that you brace those abs as you descend. That'll hold your pelvis in place. And then you can perform that movement without worrying about that pelvis rotating back and forth. And lastly, you want to watch how low you go. So like I said, we're performing the Romanian deadlift. We want to stop when we feel tension in the hamstrings. Now I can go lower, but you can see I start to round at my low back. And if you're somebody that's dealing with lower back pain, that's not going to be good. So those are the 3 things you want to watch for while performing the Romanian deadlift to make sure that you're performing it correctly so that you can build strength without stressing your joints. Thanks again for watching. My name is Dr. Carl Baird. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below. Hey guys, it's Dr. Baird here. Thank you so much for watching our latest video. And just a reminder that if you are an adult dealing with joint pain and you're worried about how you're going to be able to maintain your lifestyle as you get older, be sure to subscribe to our channel to see all of our latest videos, including low impact workouts that help you build strength without stressing your joints. And also don't forget to download our free strength program for joint pain, which is a progressive step-by-step approach to improving movement and building strength to treat joint pain and arthritis.